Hi, welcome to Fabric and welcome to this quick start video on how you can easily create your first dataset from an upload CSV file. First, we need then to start creating our dataset. For that, we can either click this button to add dataset in our own page, or we can navigate here towards our data catalog and click Add Dataset. As soon as we click, we will see the different available connectors. And in this case, because I want to create my data set from a CSV file, I'll select Upload CSV. This will open a new screen where I can upload my file. I can give a name to my connector. Have in mind that we are creating a connector to our file, which means that we will be able to create as many as data sets as we want from this file. This allows us to create subsamples or even different versions of the same data from this file. Create connector. This will ask me now the details for my first data set. Of course, I can decide not to create, or I can just input all the values, which is what I'm going to do. Give it a name, select the file type, CSV, select the separator. By default, it's a comma, but we can set any other separator that we need. Select the data type. This is important because depending on the data type, different metrics of your data will be extracted and shown downstream the process of creating your data set. I'll select tabular. There is no time dependence, and for that reason, it's not a time series. Create the data set, and this will then start preparing my data source. Now that our dataset is already created and available, we can open it and enter the detail. In here, we will have not only a good understanding, an overview on how our data looks like, a comprehensive metadata, as well as some insights on the data quality. We can also have a deeper understanding through profiling in case we want to have a visual perspective on our data. Congrats! You have now created your first dataset in Fabric's data catalog. Stay tuned for the next quick start guides.